Looking for a faster way to land interviews without spending hours filling out applications? That's where Massive, also known as usemassive.com, comes in. It's an AI-powered job application platform that promises to do the hard work for you by matching your profile to open positions, tailoring your resume and cover letter for each role, and even submitting applications automatically. On paper, it sounds like a game changer for job seekers who are tired of endless online forms, and at first glance, the platform looks somewhat trustworthy. It has a real team presence displayed on the site, a domain history that isn't brand new, and even a live chat support option, things you don't usually find with outright scams. But when we dug into the feedback from real users, the shine started to fade quickly. Massive's claimed media mentions don't seem to check out, and its Trustpilot rating sits at just 2.2 stars, with dozens of complaints piling up about irrelevant or low-quality job matches. Very few applications actually being sent, refund requests being ignored, and customer service that feels more like a brick wall than real support. Reddit discussions paint a similar picture. While a small handful of users say they managed to get interviews through the service, the majority report disappointment, saying the results didn't justify the price, especially when compared to free alternatives like LinkedIn Easy Apply or other job tools that already exist. Overall, Massive doesn't appear to be a total scam, but the combination of unverified claims, weak results, low ratings, and frustrated customer experiences makes it a risky choice. If you're on a tight budget or need reliable results, free job application tools may offer more peace of mind than paying for a service that many users feel overpromises and underdelivers.